So today I'm going to show you how we can link an image to a URL, which is a destination URL where this image has to be forwarded to. This is the URL of the website where I'm going to link this image to. So normally when I post an image with the URL, I would post it in this manner. So when I complete this post, the image is not clickable, though the URL is clickable and visible on the post. So now my motive is to link the image to the URL so that the image gets clickable. So how can I do this? I will show you. First I am clearing the post. There is a site called as AnyImage.io where I can upload the image and the URL. I can show you by creating a new card. I'm just browsing the same image which I posted on Facebook earlier. I will give a suitable name for that. A description. And the destination URL which I just copied. Let me keep the card size as maximum or large size, and then I'm completing a finish. So here, as you can see, there are 3 websites or social media platforms where I can share this. So I will copy this, and I already have my Facebook open. So if I paste this URL, you can see that the image that I uploaded to the browser on AnyImage.io gets displayed, and also the image gets clickable once I post this. So if I go to this site, you see there's an anchor text. If I click on this, it will redirect me to the page that I was linking that image to the destined URL. So similarly, I can create a Twitter tweet by copying the same URL, and it is loading. So if I tweet it, let me tweet again. So here I am copying the URL. Yeah. So in the post, you can see that image just copied, and the URL is the same which I used on Facebook. And again, if I tweet it here, so this tweet gets clickable. As you see, the anchor text is getting displayed, and when I click on this, it's moving to the same page, which is that of a destined URL. Similarly, I am opening a LinkedIn profile, and I am copying the same post URL. As you see, it may take some time to load on certain social media platforms depending on the network. So as you can see here, the same URL is getting displayed, and if I post it here, and if I go to the post, you see again the URL is clickable, and it works moving to the destined URL. So this is how you can use free online tools to make your image clickable. Thank you.